Hey, what's up, guys? The last video I showed you guys how to check your spark plugs and the spam of the spark plugs here, how long they've been in the car, and what the condition is. So I know there's a mechanic that I came across. He cleans plugs, and even I told him, oh, it's not a good idea. He went at it and did it anyway, and he charged customers. But I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna see what it come out to. But I already know I would never clean a spark plug and put it back in the car, because you can never repair what's gone already, you know. This has been deteriorated. The electrode in there is gone. The tip of the electrode is gone, done, finito. But anyways, let's give it a shot. If you want to do it, it's up to you. But I do not think it's worth cleaning these, because of time and effort, waste of a little bit of electricity. You could have just got yourself new spark plugs and throw in new spark plugs, because these do damage internally. The electrode in there gets weak, and it might build up a resistance in the voltage passing through. Okay, but anyway, let's give it a shot. All right, here goes nothing. So this is the new one. I'm gonna put this one away. We do not want to clean that one. Here's the second one, which doesn't look bad at all, but I'm gonna give it a shot. So let me fire up this machine here, and here goes nothing. There you go. That one looks not so bad, but I still wouldn't put it in the plug. But there you go. That's number one. I'll put it right there. Here's the second one. This one has about 60,000 miles on it. So let's fire up our machine one more time. Let's make that little discoloring disappear. Wow, magic. And there's the second plug, looking pretty good. All right, let's talk a little bit about these two. So again, remember, the tip of the electrode is the key component there. But the man does it. I'm not happy with it. I wouldn't do it, but if you do want to clean, that's how you're gonna clean. All right, let's move on to the next plug. I am gonna fire this up. So we got two plugs left. This one right here is very old, so this one is a little bit less. If you check out my last video, you'll know. But let's give it a shot to this one. one. There you go, looks pretty good. Anyways, let me shut this machine off. So this one right here was pretty much the older one. That one came out better than this one. I guess that all that dirt, grease, and oil protected it from being corroded compared to this one. But there you go, guys. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. But I'm not the bad guy here. This is just a show and tell. Bam, bam. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.